Hello and welcome to another video of Reloadly Gift Card series. My name is Junaid Maqsood and let's get right into it. So in the last few videos, we've already seen how we can sync the data from the Reloadly API, how we can retrieve the countries, brands, categories, and how we can sync different products. We've also seen how the redeem instructions work and how we can communicate that with the user. So in this video, I want to focus on the data that is available for individual product. More specifically, the denomination type, what are the different denomination types that are available, and how the pricing works. We will also see what are the different discounts and how you can retrieve them so that your backend can do the calculation and show the products accordingly to your customers. So right now I'm at the Postman and we've seen this products endpoint before. So let me just send the request and retrieve the products. So for each product, we have a denomination type. So that denomination type can either be a range or fixed. So what that means is for range, we will get the minimum and maximum values that is supported for this product. So this is the Netflix Spain product and the denomination type is range, and we get the min and max values. So both these values we get for recipient denomination as well as for the sender denomination. So what that actually means is the sender denomination means the values are in the currency of your account. So we also get the sender currency code, which is CAD. So this will be based on what the account currency is for your Reloadly account. So my account is in Canadian dollars, so it's showing CAD. And we also get the recipient currency code, which is what the recipient will get. So this is the currency code for the recipient. So this product is for Netflix Spain, so the currency is euro. So the min and max recipient denomination means that these values are in the recipient's currency. So this is 25 euro up to 88.70 euro. So what range means is any value in between these two is supported for this product. So we can also do the same for the minimum and maximum for sender denomination. So this means is 40.29 Canadian dollar to up to 143.01 Canadian dollar. So any value between these works. So when you're actually creating the order, we'll tell the API which currency we're sending the order from and what the value for that order is. So if it's a range-based product, then the value that we're creating the order for should be within that range. And we'll also see a product for a fixed one. So let's find a product that is fixed. So this is Netflix Poland. That is a fixed type denomination. So when we're dealing with a fixed type, the minimum and maximum will be returned as null. And instead, we'll have a fixed recipient denomination array and a fixed sender denomination array. Again, the denomination means that this which currency the values are for. So if it's recipient, then it's in recipient currency. And if it's sender, then it's in sender currency, which is you. So it's in your account's currency. So when the denomination type is fixed, it means that the product only supports these exact values. So we can only create a gift card for 60 PLN as the recipient currency is PLN here, or 80 PLN or 120 PLN. Or if we're sending in the sender currency, then the supported values are only these three in the Canadian dollar. There is also another field that we get when the denomination type is fixed. We get the fixed recipient to sender denomination map, which basically tells us that this is the recipient currency and this is the regarding sender currency value. So 60 PLN means 23.9 Canadian dollars and so on. So the other thing that I want to focus is on the fees. So for every product, we also get the sender fee and the sender fee percentage. So this sender fee is the static fee that will be applied on the order if it's not zero. And the sender fee percentage is the percentage that will be applied as fee on this order. So the last thing that I want to show is we also have the discount percentage. This will be the cashback or discount that we get when we purchase this product. So this will be the discount that will be applied on the amount that is deducted from your account balance. So in summary, when you're actually integrating this in your product, make sure you properly check what the denomination type is for that product and make the appropriate decision to either show the range or calculate the values based on the fixed denomination. Also, it's very important to include the fees where applicable and to also check the discount that will be available for via the API when you create the order. So this was a short video. I wanted to showcase some important aspects of the product so that you can architect the system properly. In the next video, we'll see how we can place an order for the actual gift card and what that process looks like. So see you in the next one.